Hello there, today I show you my portrait painting Photoshop action, how to use it and custom it. This is the previously apply some result, you can check the result. And another one, the photography of woman portrait, and this is the animal portrait, and pet portrait and dancing photo. So it's very easy to convert your photo in portrait painting, watercolor painting, just one click. So wedding photo, so it's set any type of photography composition or photography concept. See, auto color replace in your photo color, or you can change the color very easily. And there is the paper include, you can remove the paper, and also you can get the transparent PNG. See, okay, this is the framing looking just presentation for you. Okay, now I show you some tricks and how to use it. This is our download file, and you can show there is a, see, this is the main file you can download. There is the brush file, help file, pattern file, and our script. This is the supporting information. You can get support from me very easily, and live chat with us, our mention number or mention information. You can read the help file. There is the written format, some information, image size, video tutorial link, and our information, connect information link, and how to use it written format. Okay, now I load the brush first, then pattern, and then our script. How to load brush? Select and double click your mouse, then it's loaded your Photoshop automatically, or you can load manually. Go your window, Photoshop window, and the brush section. You can go more option and input brush, find out my product, my download product location. See the main file location that is already download. You need to download it. Okay, so main file portrait, select it, and brush, there is show brush, select brush and load button, click. Now brush is loaded, close it, go window, and pat option, like pattern option, click, then pattern option show, and you can click more option, input pattern, and find out the file portrait, main file portrait. There is show. Now only pattern, select and load button, click, pattern is loaded. Now go window and action option, click. Now action option show any of area. I have set it left area for my better understanding purpose. Go there, and I have input my Photoshop action, load Photoshop action, and I have find out my download file, and go there and select the Photoshop action portrait painting by MRI Kokon. Select and load button, click, up and down option. This is the last one, portrait painting by MRI Kokon. This is the folder, this is the script. Okay, it's loaded now. Now you can go and open any type of photo. I open this animal like a pet dog photo, and firstly you can check out your photo is a lock icon show, in name is background layer. Sometimes the photo are not look like lock icon show and background name is background. Some people are use transparent background, then error message show. So you can avoid this error in following this step. If your photo is layer 0 or transparent PNG, then you need to do this step. Right button click in layer option, your mouse right button click, then fit and option show, click the fit and option. Now is set a lock background layer, and make sure your photo is RGB color mode. If not the RGB color mode, then go image mode, RGB color, just click this option. If show any message, click the OK button. So this is the tricks, extra tricks, and avoiding the error message. You just brush and fill the brush and play the script, and it's work done. But I think I show you everything. And there is the top option, not enough space, and left side and bottom side or right side. So we need to first make the space. Do not need any experience and do not need the color fill up. You can make the space, okay, and do not more space. what space you need it and how it's look good. You just idea and you can make the space. Okay. And image checkout, sometime image is too large in make the space if you change the white space. So if you use the more high resolution image, then it's sometime need to extra to come out the result. So I have typed there 400 pixel in any of site. You can use any site and make sure you link up. Okay, this is link up. Then auto sizing 400 pixel. If your portrait is the smaller, face point is smaller, then okay. Now is okay, you can use any high resolution size, don't about think it. Now I have used the quick selection tool for masking purpose. Make sure quick selection tool, and there is the select subject button show. Just click there. It's shortcut way. Now your photo is selection mode. Okay, and create a new layer in layer panel. If not the layer panel show, go window, the layer panel is there. Just click layer panel show and type there new layer text option. Double click the new layer text option, type there BRUSH. Same my spelling, do not include any other character, space, hyphen, comma, and click the other area. Do not uppercase lowercase mix up letter, only lowercase, and same spelling. My follow this spelling. I have included this spelling in help file, or you can show there. And I have select now brush tool, because I need to portrait, or if you want to the full of area, you can select the pen bucket tool and select any of light color. You can fill up the box in full area and brush layer. Okay, make sure the brush layer fill up, but I have undo now. I just show you the brush layer for portrait purpose and view this. Okay, undo. Okay, now I select the brush layer and I have brushing the area in portrait style, because I need to portrait only now. So if you want to fill the full area, so use pen bucket tool, or portrait style, use the pen tool, brush tool. Okay, I think is done for me, and perfectly I have brush. And now there is the selection mode. If the selection mode, you need to deselect, otherwise you play the script show the error result. Selection and deselect. Okay, and if you think some of area mistake the auto selection, so you can brush manually yourself in select the brush tool there, and you can smaller large size brush, make the size, and make sure you brush the brush layer and brush layer is vivid. Okay, same as it is, use avoiding the error message. Sometimes some people do not follow our all step and mistake, then show the error result, and they connect our support and we are help him, and he or she is surprised for result. Okay, this is the final brushing, and I want to select all in on play action, play me. I want to hit this button, select and hit the button. Now start working. Depend your for PC configuration and image resolution size. Okay, you can edit every layer, everything is separate layer, and you can change color and brushing style and background style, and you can pick the photo effect combine. We have include some of combine and color combination also. Our all product are editable, and we support our customer very fast and very friendly. You can visit our shop in MRI Studio Creative Market. Available our product, download there. You can purchase our product in our on-site. This is our on-site photoshopaction.net. You can download free file there, the free file option, and download the bundle option, and discount price 99% discount price in this bundle, and this is our mega bundle. See, the bundle is what is include is a biggest bundle, and we have tried to include many different type of product, 90% discount, and see the all our extended license sale we have only for Bish in 5180 extender is a regular price, so it's the biggest price, and we have include the link with which product is this bundle include. Okay, now I back to the data. There is the stop message show. See the stop message, hello there, this is the finishing message, stop message, hello there, action is done working, now you can custom. So this is the default setting and default result, and you can custom it, how to custom it, and how to make the PNG transparent. I just show you. Firstly I show you how to make PNG. Just paper option we need to uncheck, and background uncheck, and the background uncheck. Last three are uncheck. Now it's make the PNG very easily. Okay, everything is okay. Now you can file and the export option and quick export PNG. Just click this option and export the PNG option, transparent it. Okay, I have view now this one for showing purpose. This is the paper option. We have if you want to digital version use, you can use the paper. See, you can do not like the paper, you can out the paper. Okay, and this is the controlling of our backart. See, backart 1 and the top backart, and there is the 2 options. See, the uncheck and looking is another looking, colorized looking, and you can fill this one. This is a show regular, just faded option include, and this is the color option include. This is the color edit, you can easily color edit. Double click this option and you can change the color version very fast. See, it's super easy to edit, and click button, then is set a color. I just uncheck this one, and I just need to colorful version, then I use this one, the colorful 5 type, and this is show your desktop. See, the looking is colorful very, and this is the top option, the faded color, and you can mix up the color and faded. Just click the select the marks, and you can brush sum of area if you want to the show sum of area colorful. Okay, so this is the extra tricks, and I do not want this and this color version, I just like to default. And there is the extra color added in the outside in brushing. See the looking and the color fix, another one, and another color adjustment, another one, and color changer. Double click this option, you can change the color very easily. See, move the color. So it's super easy to edit, and everything is a separate layer. See, and this is the photo effect one. You can use another photo effect and uncheck this one. This is another photo effect, and you can use another one. All are different flavor. See, if you use the portrait man or woman portrait, then you can better understand. This is animal photo, this way is not more understand. Okay, I just use this one, and there is the shading option. You can use the shade option if needed, and shade another one. See, okay. So still, if you need any kind of help, you can send a message our profile MRI Studio, and our email and our WhatsApp number for fast reply, and Facebook fan page. Join our Facebook fan page MRI Studio, and you can purchase our product, our shop in Creative Market MRI Studio, and Graphics River MRI Kokon profile, and our own shop in Photoshop Action.net. There is the bundle offer going on, 99% discount going on our bundle. Check out our bundle and our help file. Visit now. Subscribe the channel for more update video, and we want to show free file news and blog post upcoming.